If you want to know how to activate voice mode on Claude AI, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on voice mode, start speaking to Claude, and then stop it when you're finished. This is a simple feature, but once you know where to find it, it can make chatting with Claude much faster and more natural. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and it only takes a second. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your Claude account. Once you're inside your account, start a new chat. This is important because voice mode is activated from within the chat window, so you want to make sure you're in a fresh conversation and ready to begin. Now look toward the lower right corner of the chat window. You should see a sound wave symbol there. That is the voice mode button. Tap that sound wave icon to activate voice mode. As soon as you click it, Claude will be ready to listen to your voice instead of just waiting for typed text. Once voice mode is enabled, start talking normally. You can ask Claude a question, give it a task, or simply speak your prompt out loud. As you talk, Claude will automatically convert your speech into text and populate it in the chat input field for you. That means you do not have to type anything manually while using voice mode. This is especially useful if you want to work faster, brainstorm ideas hands-free, or just have a more conversational experience with Claude AI. Instead of typing long prompts, you can simply speak them naturally and let Claude handle the rest. After you finish speaking, Claude will respond as usual. You can continue the conversation by talking again, and Claude will keep replying in the same voice mode session. This makes it easy to have a back and forth interaction without constantly switching between typing and reading. If you want to keep going, just keep speaking your next prompt. Claude will stay in voice mode and continue listening until you decide to stop it. This is great if you're working on a longer conversation or testing multiple prompts in a row. When you're done using voice mode, go to the lower right corner again and click the stop button. That will end the voice session and return Claude to its normal chat behavior. It's a good idea to do this when you've finished, especially if you want to go back to typing or start a different task. So just to recap, log into Claude, start a new chat, tap the sound wave symbol in the lower right corner, speak your prompt, and then click stop when you're done. That's all it takes to activate voice mode on Claude AI. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.